Let me tell you a story. 2 billion years ago, a fruitful tree grew high above the clouds. One day, an indigenous guy named Macunaíma chopped it down so he could collect all the fruits at once. The stump of this tree became the tallest tabletop mountain in the world. To explore its summit, one has to hike over 100 kilometers, facing its ever-changing weather conditions and its beautiful wind-shaped rocks. But once you get there, you will never forget the experience of living and walking among the oldest rocks on Earth. Are you ready for this adventure?